Welcome to our video on streamlining apparel production using Kanban. In today's competitive apparel industry, efficiency is key. We'll explore how Kanban, a visual management system from lean manufacturing, can revolutionize workflows in an apparel export house. Kanban, meaning signboard in Japanese, is a visual system for managing work processes. In an apparel export house, it tracks stages like fabric sourcing, cutting, sewing, quality control, and packaging, ensuring efficient management of each stage. The Kanban board is the heart of the system. It's typically divided into columns representing the different stages of production. For an apparel export house, these columns might include fabric received, cutting, sewing, quality check, and ready for shipment. Each task or batch of garments is represented by a card that moves across the board as the work progresses. This visual representation helps in tracking the status of each task easily. Implementing Kanban in an apparel manufacturing export house brings numerous advantages. It enhances visibility, enabling both managers and workers to instantly see ongoing tasks and pending work. The system aids in identifying bottlenecks, optimizing workload management, and ensuring tasks are completed promptly. Moreover, Kanban fosters better communication and coordination across departments, resulting in a more streamlined and efficient workflow. To illustrate Kanban in action, imagine a situation where a large order needs to be fulfilled. The fabric is received, and a card is placed in the fabric received column. As cutting begins, the card is moved to cutting. Once cutting is done, the card moves to sewing, and so on until the garments are packed and ready for shipment. This simple yet effective system keeps everyone informed and the production process flowing smoothly. Every apparel manufacturing house is unique, and the flexibility of Kanban allows it to be adapted to suit specific workflows. Whether you're handling multiple small orders or a few large ones, Kanban can help streamline your processes, reduce waste, and ensure timely deliveries. It's a system that can grow with your business and improve as you refine it over time. To get started with Kanban, begin by mapping out your current workflow. Identify the key stages in your production process and set up your Kanban board accordingly. Start simple and gradually refine the system as you gain experience. As you grow more familiar with Kanban, you'll discover opportunities for continuous improvement, making your apparel manufacturing export house more organized, responsive, and productive. By adopting Kanban in your apparel manufacturing export house, you'll not only increase efficiency, but also create a more organized, responsive, and productive workplace. Start your Kanban journey today and transform your apparel manufacturing processes. Thank you for watching our video on Kanban in apparel production. We hope you found it insightful.